My name is Tony LaGrange, the president of Quantum Technical Services, Quantum Chemical. We're founded as Quantum Technical Services out of my, essentially a closet in my basement of my home in Akinsdale. And now here we are in Riel Park in a building that we've expanded at least once and, probably have to expand again. So I had this grand idea that you could make a living doing custom formulating of coatings for companies that needed specialized coatings. I would say we had a strong focus on these zero VOC coatings, a strong focus on fire retardant coatings, fire protective coatings, and then we kind of married those two technologies together. We started making zero VOC fire resistant elastomers, and that took us into all kinds of interesting different business opportunities. And one of those great opportunities that presented itself was in mass transit. And so now we make spray applied seamless flooring for LRT vehicles. We always have something new that we're working on. We always have, R&D has been the lifeblood of this company. And it really is the bulk of our staff are directly engaged in research and development every day. We've got capabilities that really only our biggest competitors, who are really multinationals, have the kind of capabilities that we have. So everything that we develop, we then manufacture in-house. We have a long list of products that we make, and we need to be able to make any one of them on any day, fill an order and get it out that day. We've been able to really have a world-class facility working with sort of top-notch customers right across North America. And we have a reputation now with them that allows us to really get a lot of opportunities to develop new and exciting coatings. St. Albert has a great environment for business. It has a great business community. There's a lot of cooperation. It's a great environment for our business, and there's so many great things about the city that it's good for family life, it's good for business, which means it's just a good place to call home. And I would encourage anybody to look at St. Albert as a great place to be for their business and for their staff. I'm Tony LaGrange with Quantum Chemical, right here in St. Albert.